1 month and 3 weeks. All sorts of progress in this room. This is the one that did used to be that color everywhere. Now we've got some nice bright white on it. We put a light in here. All sorts of things. We're gonna be adding wallpaper. Built my desk. Welcome to my studio. In progress. Not much new news in here, but as usual, kind of one of my favorite rooms. Although we're thinking about changing the color. You can see a lot of difference in here. Hello! So this is redfeatherbooks.com. There are over 4,200 titles in here. They're available online through abebooks.com. So check them out. redfeatherbooks.com. There's so many books. And we have some cute little lights we found in the basement. I love that, and just like all the things in the basement. Got the laser etcher. We had the printer, but it didn't like the new Wi-Fi. We have internet at our house. We have heating and cooling at the house. It's crazy. I eventually need to do something with that. We have storage in here. Oh, we used to have a bunch of boxes there, but we moved them already. Oops. Got this bathroom almost cleaned up and looking nice. We've got all the toilets working. A bathtub. Oh, I have a shower curtain ordered. Hello. Still have our fun little art ladies and our gentlemen. Oh yeah, I did have to make an access hole. Oops. A lot of the vents, or $750 worth of vents that needed to be replaced on top of the air unit. All sorts of stuff moving around down here. This toilet was broken by our painters and we got it fixed. Ooh. Got the shower cleaned out. I'm actually using it like a shower. And this was amazingly beautiful, and I have the product that we used, but as soon as you put water and copper, apparently it looks like that. So don't wash your hands, it's not a real sink. This is the room our painters ruined, and we just finished painting the floor, so we won't go in there, but gold and navy is the color combo. Turn the lights on. Hello, hello. Looking beautiful. The hallway is still here. Some things haven't changed. Getting some exterior paint work done. Oh, we have a new chandelier in here because that one was far too dim. And we probably have showed this already. Well, dresses, obviously, but I do have a complete pathway and through. And we were told, we found someone amazing that had been in our house over 100 times, so they gave us the history lesson. Someone has already, we didn't paint that, but it was pre-painted. This is one of the original doors in the house. They did wood graining on it because it was sort of what I'll call like a cheaper grade of wood, and then they finger painted these on there so it would look like more wood grain. Would you look at that? Ah, did acquire a piece of antique looking furniture. I was gonna say, whose ladders are those? They're mine. Oops. This is one of the disasters. The painters left. They did not put the windows back in or the blinds up or like finish anything. Here is my washer and dryer room. Oh, that vents into the chimney, so we will be finding a solution hopefully soon. The bathroom is still beautiful. Still needs to be mopped. Hello! I got a closer on that cabinet, so this doesn't do this constantly. Self-opening closets! Whoa! So cool! That's what everyone needs. Oh, this is still amazing. Found a leather rocking chair for $40. I had my friend put shoe molding down, so this does not look so crazy. A few more ball gowns that have just moved over temporarily. That's our Wi-Fi. My favorite bathroom. The grand staircase has been vacuumed, thank goodness. The grand hallway that is big enough to put stuff in. Got that guy. Ah, this is the first floor where we learned how to paint. I'd say we did an okay job. Still have stuff stacked up, so don't walk, but it's finally in the stage of being able to be walked in. Rugs is a whole new project that we are going to have to take very seriously. I've been filling in any holes I find. All of these are books. This is not personal effects. Did find a light for $20 we got at Habitat. I'm gonna replace this one. I don't like all the different styles together. I know it's expensive, but this one was cheaper and prettier, so here it is. And we have Red Feather Books listing in progress right now. And we found a sort of nice antique dining room table for $150. Might be taking on an upholstery project in the near future. Leave that with a maybe. Bookshelves. Oh, I just love this bookshelf. It's like our first giant piece of furniture in the house. Woo! Oh, I do have new members in the family. I have 9 new baby millipedes. Well, they're not babies, they're just normal sized millipedes. They're living in there. And they're not going to live on the kitchen counter forever. We'd find an antique lamp. Got some wisteria drying. I actually have food and things sort of in the pantry. Stove, brownies, dishwasher, thank goodness. Life is back on track. And a refrigerator, which is beyond amazing. Thank you, places that make appliances. I am so spoiled. And now for the basement. There's been a world of difference that's happened through here. Well, lawnmower lives here now. We cleaned nearly all of the trash out. So that was incredibly exciting. Unfortunately, the hot water heater did go on the fritz. I almost have a compost toilet installed, but not quite yet. The sink is really a mess, so if I'm gonna use that, gotta work on it. And this is all the stuff from this room that I saved. There's very little of it. And there's a mirror. Doo-doo. Someone's using water somewhere right now. Well, that's new, and I didn't do that, so I'll have to investigate that. We do have some of our favorite cricket friends here. Hi, guys! Hello! Into the bellows, here we go. So this is all the stuff that I kept from throwing away as we went through the basement, and just sort of we're like, hey, I shouldn't throw this away. We do have a duck suit. Well, that we're gonna tear out the insulation. That's sort of the next project. This room was a pile of trash right there, like about as tall as I am. So less trash, yay. There was silica sand and lime and all sorts of crazy stuff. I did keep a little memento that I just showed. If you can guess what it is, bonus points. It's kind of fun with the brick walls. Oh, one more fun fact. There's a piece of, I guess, foam insulation that will not be coming out in one piece. That's back there. This is working to be my grow room. I'm gonna be growing some plants and some microgreens and getting stuff started. We did move, all of these pieces of furniture were here in the basement. The one on the left, I could not figure out what it was for the longest time, and now we know. It is a cabinet. It was on its side and it didn't look like anything to me. Ah, one more bag of trash. We did find that this is original, well, possibly original to the house or the period or something pre-everything. It is really falling apart, but it's just gonna hang out here for right now. I did get a dehumidifier installed because it is unfortunately very humid here. I didn't want the house to degrade anymore. It's not working, of course. It's new and doesn't work. Ta-da! Found a fire screen. Been trying to sell, but hasn't been working. I am very excited about all of the lights finally working. They all work. They have light bulbs in them, and either I'm short enough or tall enough to get everything to work. Just took out a bunch of trash-like things. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, that's where the filing cabinet was. Or whatever the big green thing is. There's just so much trash in so many places. And then there's this room. My friends organized this by type of wood, but now we can't walk in here. I'm working to get rid of some of these doors. I've been selling stuff online, and I did send a message to someone that was interested online in a door, and they told me about that little piece of, I'll call it history or indoor transom type of material, so that's exciting. I do know there's a bunch of stairway pieces in here, but and that's the basement. Da, 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 da.